Hey guys, welcome to Aufine Tyre channel. Today we would like to share the details of Aufine Energy AEL2 with you. Aufine Energy AEL2 is long haul and regional opposition pattern designed for longer mileage and fuel efficiency. Now check the pattern details. The robust longitudinal ribs provide superior handling performance. On the bottom of the groove, the ejectors prevent stones trapping, and zigzag grooves increase the overall mileage. On the center rib, unique sipe is designed to improve braking performance, especially on wet road. Closed shoulders with contour provide better ground grasp and anti-slipping performance. Microsipes won the edge help to optimize even wear. Aufine Energy AEL2 adopts wider tread design. Let's take a look. 295 80R 22.5 for example. Tread width is 250 millimeters. Usually the normal tire width is 222 millimeters. AEL2 is 12.6% wider. 250 mm tread width helps greatly improve the mileage. Let's look at the sidewall. Aufine, engineered in Germany. 295 80R 22.5. Energy AEL2, regroovable, green A. Alright, that's a brief introduction of Aufine Energy AEL2. For high quality truck tires, just contact Aufine. Thank you for watching.